This is a Pilea plant. I was looking for this for a long time. Hi friends, this is a Pilea plant that I bought from Heaney's greenhouse. Even though I bought only one plant, there are about 6 baby plants in the same pot. So we are going to separate all the baby plants and plant them into different containers. This is how I make potting mix for indoor plants. I buy indoor potting mix. Into it, I will add about 5% perlite and 5% sand. So 90% indoor potting mix, 5% perlite and 5% sand. So we can mix everything together. I also spray some neem oil into the soil to prevent any bugs coming indoors. We can carefully separate all the baby plants. One, two, three, got 5 baby plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the mother plant. I'm going to plant the mother plant in this pot, and the baby plants are going to be in these pots and one in this pot. Let's fill all these cups with the indoor potting mix. We can plant them one by one. I'm going to plant this mother plant into this bigger pot. We are done transplanting them all. So this was the mother plant. Then we got 5 more baby plants. So total 6. So even though I bought only one plant, now I have 6 of them. We can water them now. And place them all in decorative pots now. Before we bring them indoors. We can cover the soil with leca or clay pebbles. To keep your Pilea plant healthy, keep it indoors and give bright indirect sunlight. Water when the top inch of soil is dry. Too much water, the leaves turn yellow. Too little water, leaves will look droopy.